Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Ford Fusion door code. First, find your vehicle's factory 5-digit code, usually on a card in the glove box or on a sticker inside the trunk or driver's door jamb. Enter this code on the exterior keypad to unlock the doors. Immediately after, within 5 seconds, press the 1-2 button on the keypad. This action prepares the system to accept a new personal code. Now, you'll enter your desired 5-digit personal code. Choose a memorable sequence of numbers. After inputting your new code, press the 1-2 button one more time to save it. This confirms your selection and links the new code to your vehicle. Always test your new code immediately to ensure it has been programmed successfully and unlocks the doors as expected. If you need to clear all personal codes, start by entering the factory 5-digit code. Then, press the 1-2 button. Immediately after, press and hold the 1-2 button for 2 seconds. This action will erase any previously programmed personal codes. If you encounter any difficulties or the system doesn't respond as expected, refer to your Ford Fusion Owner's Manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Beyond setting your personal code, the keypad offers other convenient features. You can unlock the trunk by simply pressing the 3-4 button after entering your code. To lock all doors, press the 7-8 and 9-0 buttons simultaneously. This provides a quick and secure way to lock your vehicle without using the key fob. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.